Hey guys, welcome back to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Google Firebase Studio. First of all, head over to firebase.studio URL. Now, once you're in the website, simply click on Get Started or try Firebase Studio. Now it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Click on Confirm. As you can see, it is giving me my name and what do you want to build. Now, for an example, I will type an application that runs monthly subscriptions integrated with payment gateway and control access to premium content about gaming / gamers or streamers. So what I will do, I will simply click on prototype with AI. Now it is giving me some features like content catalog, content access control, user management, payment processing, personalized content recommendations. So it is also giving me style guidelines, what color it will use and something like that. Now, once I'm satisfied, I will simply click on prototype this application. Now all I have to do is wait for the AI model to complete the prototype of this application. So it will take quite a long time. So once it's completed the prototype process, what I can do, I can use this application and modify this application according to my needs. And then what will happen, I can add in monthly subscription into my application, and this is the easiest way to integrate or to earn money with the help of an application. You can also do in-app advertisement, but the downside of these kind of application is that users always think this is a cheap version of some application. It doesn't have any premium content. They will never click on the ads, and they are also annoying. So what you can do is post your premium content about like research content about your niche, whatever. For instance, I have created an application for gamers, so I will find some premium content for the gamers. Once they're satisfied with the application, they will be happily be able to pay a small subscriptions every month. Now, once the user base increased in the future, then what will happen? It will give me more and more returns, but I have to wait with patience and post quality content on my application. And that's simply how I can use Google Firebase Studio to create an application and then make money. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.